there and always tell people, okay, we are from Indian background and all those things. So yeah, she's learning as well. And
those young women that were dancing were showing us the moves and they were fantastic.
सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ये है कि हमारी कम्युनिटी गेट टुगेदर।
हाँ जी।
Usually we have training and practice beforehand, but for events we practice a bit more, especially like for choreography and stuff.
G'day, namaste, sasrikal, salam. मैं हूँ Ari and reporting today from Roma Parklands here in the heart of Brisbane City. The event is India Day Fair. 15th of August is India's independence, and there are events across the country, but this one in the middle of the city is quite a big one. It's in its 18th year this year, and the event keeps on getting stronger and bigger. I'll bring you highlights throughout the day as we go out and speak to a few people, हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में, लेकिन बहुत जल्द हम बाकी लोगों से भी बात करेंगे और आप तक वो इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके आएंगे. Don't forget कि स्टेज पे आज 2 हेडलाइन एक्ट्स हैं, एक परेड है, शाम को बहुत सारे VIPs आने वाले हैं, तो एक्साइटिंग कैलेंडर ऑफ इवेंट्स है फॉर शो. आज बहुत जल्दी आपसे दोबारा मिलता हूँ. थैंक यू. मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर स्टॉल्स लगी हुई है जहाँ बहुत सारी खाने के ऑप्शंस हैं. वहाँ क्राउड के बैठने के लिए जगह है. हर तरीके के एज ग्रुप के लोग आपको आज यहाँ दिखाई देंगे, छोटे बच्चों से लेकर बड़े बुजुर्ग तक और फैमिलीज. स्टेज पे फिलहाल एक हेडलाइन एक्ट काव्या की तरफ से चल रहा है और आप सुन सकते हैं मेरे देश की धरती गाना चल रहा है ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बीचों बीच. ऐसी चीज़ें सुनकर इट वार्म्स आवर हार्ट, इट मेक्स अस रियली हैप्पी, गिव्स अस दैट फीलिंग ऑफ बिलोंगिंगनेस. I'm here with a young lady in these beautiful clothes and also the flowers. The outfit is absolutely incredible. Please tell us what part of the India this is from and what did you do on stage today?
So this is traditional Odissi costume from Odisha, the eastern state of India. And we did a performance which Odissi dancers do when they enter the stage to give respect to Lord Jagannath before starting a devotional performance.
And how big was the group?
There were 5 of us, so 4 of my friends and our guru as well.
So do you guys practice after school? Do you only do it before the events? What's your method?
Usually we have training and practice beforehand, but for events we practice a bit more, especially like for choreography and stuff.
And finally, are you happy with how the performance went today?
Yeah, I am.
There'll be some celebrations on the weekend, but thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. अब मैं बात करने जा रहा हूँ इंडिया की एक बहुत ही होनहार बेटी के साथ जो इंडिया का सॉन्ग जहाँ उसको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है, जहाँ प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है, शी सिंग्स द इंडियन सॉन्ग. द पेट्रियोटिज्म इन दिस पर्टिकुलर गर्ल इज एब्सोल्युटली आउटस्टैंडिंग. तन्वी, ये देश प्रेम इतना कूट कूट के कैसे भरा है?
मुझे लगता है कि यारी बचपन से हमने यही देखा है. हमारे घर में भी हमेशा हम बचपन से जाते थे इंडिपेंडेंस डे बनाने में सब कुछ. मुझे लगता है शायद हमने इंडिया में इतना नहीं किया, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक. 15 साल से यहाँ पे आने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि जैसे ही नेशनल एंथम बनता है मुझे लगता है आंखों में आंसू आने लगते. लगता है ओ माय गॉड, क्या हमने गलती कर दी यहाँ पे आके, ऐसा फील भी हो जाता है. बट मुझे लगता है देशभक्ति हम सभी के दिल में भरी पड़ी है. आप हमें दुनिया में कहीं भी ले जाइए बट वो देशभक्ति अपने अंदर से नहीं जाएगी और वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट है अंदर, किसी ने डाली नहीं है.
हाँ, ये सच्ची बात है. मुझे भी ऐसे ही महसूस होता है कि कहीं भी कोई इंडियन चीज़ नज़र आए, पर्टिकुलरली जैसे आपने बोला नेशनल एंथम है या फ्लैग है, तो हमेशा थोड़ा सा वार्म महसूस होता है अंदर. पर एक चीज़ और भी है तन्वी, मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैं और तुम ये नहीं करेंगे या इस एफर्ट में कोशिश नहीं करेंगे तो बच्चे कैसे सीखेंगे कि उनका बैकग्राउंड असलियत में है क्या?
सही बात है, मैं बिल्कुल मानती हूँ. ये मेरी बेटी है निहाशवी, 9 साल की है. मेरा बेटा भी 4 साल का है. आप देखिए इंडिया अभी स्कूल भी जाती है जबकि सारे बच्चे ऑस्ट्रेलियंस हैं. जब भी मल्टी कल्चरल कुछ भी होगा या जहाँ पे कुछ भी अगर डिफरेंट शो करना होगा, शील ऑलवेज वेयर इंडियन, शील ऑलवेज पुट बिंदी देयर एंड ऑलवेज टेल पीपल ओके वी आर फ्रॉम इंडियन बैकग्राउंड एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. सो या शी इज़ लर्निंग एज वेल एंड आई एम सो प्राउड टू से दैट India Day Fair was the first event I ever attended when I landed Australia 15 years ago, and I have attended every single of one of them except one where the day my son was born 4 years ago on India Day Fair.
वो कैसे मिस कर दिया आपने? अनबिलीवेबल.
क्योंकि मैं हॉस्पिटल में पेन में थी और उसी दिन मेरा बच्चा आया इंडिया डे फेयर पे ही. और निहाशवी इज ऑल्सो बीइंग अटेंडिंग फ्रॉम लास्ट 9 years. She is born. She is attending this too.
So do you like coming here?
Yes.
What do you like about this event? Like you go to so many different events across Brisbane. Why do you like this one more? Or what do you find special about this one?
All my friends come.
Well, that's a fair enough and that's a good enough reason to be here. All my friends are here. I've done some silly things for my friends in my time. But thank you so much for your time, Tanvi, and your thoughts and your perspective. I can see where you're coming from. I can see the value in it. And hopefully it's good for our children moving forward. मैं आज हूँ पुष्पिंदर जी के साथ इंडिया डे फेयर सेलिब्रेशंस पर जो गोपियों की तरफ से यहाँ रोमा स्ट्रीट पार्कलैंड्स में ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है. पुष्पिंदर जी, आप इस इवेंट में बहुत लंबे टाइम से आते रहे हैं और आपने धीरे धीरे हमारी कम्युनिटी को डेवलप होते हुए देखा है ब्रिस्बेन में, गोल्ड कोस्ट में. आपको ऐसे इवेंट्स की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या महसूस होती है आज की डेट में?
आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस ये है कि हमारी कम्युनिटी गेट टुगेदर.
हाँ जी.
सपोर्ट द कम्युनिटी जो इंडियन डायस्पोरा.
हाँ जी.
is encouraging the Gopio to move forward.
That's correct. Yeah.
And this is a very important aspect of involving the Indian diaspora
Yes.
in Queensland.
I interestingly also know that you were born the same year we got independence as a country. India got independence as a country. So happy birthday year or anniversary year to you as well.
Yeah, I thank you very much. And I'm privileged that I was born in the year India got independence. And this is my honor. And that's why I think I was माँ की गोद में for the independence day.
As you can see, I've got three ladies here, and there's tricolor everywhere on them. They are a part of our India Day celebrations here in the middle of Brisbane City. Ladies, was it a good day?
It was fantastic. Loved it. Absolutely incredible.
What was,
Well, I'm Grace, and this is my electorate, and it's one of the best fairs that we have right
you,
here in
Grace.
the heart of Brisbane.
Thank you, Grace, for gracing us and giving us the opportunity to do this here. What was your favorite part of the day?
Well, I always loved Indian food. I've always enjoyed Bollywood, but I've never enjoyed dancing Indian dance like I did today.
I saw you guys grooving, and it looked so mellow, so peaceful, and most of you were in sync. How did we manage that?
I think the zhuzh was high.
And maybe the music was really good too.
Music was incredible, the beat was amazing, and I think all of us were just enjoying the atmosphere and absolutely being part of the incredible celebrations of today.
Thank you so much.
Can I also say, we had great teachers. Those young women that were dancing were showing us the moves, and they were fantastic.
Maybe it's time to pass it on to the next generation and show it to other people.
Baby!
Thank you so much for your time. Much appreciated. Once again, we've got incredible amount of support from the government here and from various multicultural organizations. There are tons of volunteers. How's your experience today?
Well, Gopio Fair Day is like nothing else. It's where two countries like Australia and India come together and celebrate everything that's great about both of our countries. The performances, the food, the entertainment, it's amazing. And it's a beautiful event in a beautiful city celebrating beautiful cultures.
Thank you so much. I notice every time we have a chat, you're always a big advocate of multiculturalism and how our cultures gel together. And this is probably the second or third occasion I've seen those thoughts from you. I hope more people in our country can follow that thought pattern.
Well, we've got a job as leaders in the community to show Australia was built on multiculturalism, and we are the most successful multicultural country in the world, and it's a joy to represent such a diverse community where almost 60% have a parent or were born overseas. So it's very important for me as a representative, but also as the Speaker of the Parliament of Australia, to recognise and give thanks to so many people who have brought so much to Australia, including entrepreneurs, business, not to mention the great cuisine, and we're very lucky to live in a very safe and prosperous country, and long it may continue.
I can see these ladies in beautiful, immaculate costumes getting ready to go on stage and perform. What are you performing today?
We are Hum Pyar Karne Wale.
Hum Pyar Karne Wale, which means we are lovers. It's
Duranda.
It's from a brand new movie called Duranda.
And hip hop mix.
It's classical and hip hop.
Bharatnatyam. Choreographed by Savina. Hip hop. Yeah. It's a Bharatnatyam fusion.
Thank you, ladies. This is the group Let's Bollywood, ready to jump on stage. And I'm not going to interrupt their session anymore and their practice anymore. See you, girls. I'll see you on the stage. As you can see, there's a lot of commotion in this scene. There's a lot happening. We've got three gentlemen here with prizes. Naida, what are we up to?
Oh my god,
Today has been an absolutely incredible day. Can't stop smiling. We have sold so many raffle tickets, but we want to sell more because all the money goes back to helping the Gopio team put on these wonderful celebrations.
So all the money is for the good cause and goes into events such as these. Mate, what did you win and what do you plan to do with this?
Really want this prize. That's been motivated by Nadia. Yeah, she's wonderful actually. It's a good cause. We really enjoyed the show and actually we enjoy winning this prize also.
Congratulations to the winner.
Thank you.
How many of these do you still have to give away?
Oh, I've got 4 to go.
There's few more to go. So if you are here and you can purchase a raffle ticket for this good cause, then Naida might make sure that you win a prize. But thank you so much for all your work.
Something else. So not only that, thanks to the generosity of Gail Harrow from Mission Possible, who makes the impossible possible, she's given us some beanies to give away for free to all the children, seniors, anyone who's feeling a little bit of the chill. So wonderful Gail has given us those today. So those you can come and get for free.
As you can see, I'm here with lovely Freya, who looks absolutely beautiful in Indian clothes. Who did your hair today, Freya?
My mom.
And I can see that she's done a wonderful job. Did you perform on the stage today?
Yes, I did.
What sort of dance did you do?
I did a Bollywood dance.
Oh, beautiful. And where did you get the inspiration to do Bollywood dancing?
Well, at first it was my mum's idea.
Yeah?
And after my first year of doing it, I just thought I should do it again because it was really fun.
Yeah, and do you have lots of friends here who came with you today and did the dance on the stage?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice to know. So when you do practice the dancing, do you only do it before you are about to jump on stage, or is it something you do regularly with your school?
I do it weekly on Sunday weekends with my teacher, who is actually going to perform with our mums at 5:45.
That's really nice to know. So mom is also going to be on stage?
Yeah.
Wow, I am very impressed, Freya.
We are backstage at India Day Fair 2026. What an exciting day it's been, but there's more to come. Now with me, I have Hardik Patel, who is the manager for Kavya Limay and their entire crew. They had a snippet of a performance during the official VIP segment, and they will be going up on stage in some time as well. Now, Hardik, you have toured around Australia and you're here in Brisbane today. How did you like the energy during your afternoon segment?
वंडरफुल क्राउड बहुत अच्छा था और जैसा हमने सोचा था कि क्वाइटली हम लोग परफॉर्म करेंगे ऐसा हुआ नहीं. हमारे एक्सपेक्टेशन से बहुत अच्छा क्राउड था तो हमको परफॉर्म करने में बहुत मज़ा आया. और अभी भी जो बॉलीवुड का सेशन हम करने वाले हैं उसमें हम और मज़ा कराएंगे और धमाल कर देंगे.
No doubt, Hardik. आप obviously आप team manager होने के अलावा you're also a drummer and you're a fantastic one at that. Not like I am a judge of any music, लेकिन बहुत बढ़िया था. And आप मतलब obviously ये ब्रिस्बेन हमारी बहुत happening है. आप ये बताइए आपका बाकी का ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टूर कैसे रहा है so far?
ऑस्ट्रेलिया का हमारा टूर बहुत ही अच्छा रहा और स्पेशली हम ब्रिस्बेन आए तो हमें लोग भी बहुत अच्छे मिले. कनेक्शन में बहुत सारे लोग थे और सिटी तो फैंटास्टिक है. हम गोल्ड कोस्ट भी गए, बहुत सारी जगह हमने एक्सप्लोर की. लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, खाना भी हमने बहुत अच्छा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी खाया. तो हम चाहेंगे कि अगली बार हम और ब्रिस्बेन आए.
sensational, the one and only Kavya Limay. She had an absolutely scintillating performance this afternoon. Kavya, honestly, that was so good. You had so many people dancing, and it was just a little bit of a trailer. Now, tell me a little bit about your choice of songs that you chose. You started on the slow tempo of patriotism, and then you went on to, a nice, faster tempo. Tell me about your choice of songs on this occasion.
Thank you for your kind words. You're too nice. I feel like I enjoy making the set list, of how the show flow is going to be, how I'll design songs. So it's but natural that once the tempo goes up, people find it a little difficult to enjoy the slow numbers. So what we did was we made like a pathway that is like a story, like a journey that we take together as the singer and the audience. So we go on that journey together. For example, in the beginning we took songs like Teri Mitti, which is a very slow song. We slowly went ahead, got the tempo higher and higher. We went to Ae Watan, and then we ended on Chak De India and Jai Ho. So
I think Jai Ho is a really smart song selection, because you have a lot of multicultural crowd here. So what was your experience like performing not just in front of Indian people, but a lot of Australian people as well?
The experience was absolutely incredible, because to be honest, I had not expected that this kind of a positive and energetic response would come from a group of people who don't even understand Hindi. But I felt they took it very positively, and I could see how much respect they had for our country as well, So they could see the passion and the energy, and they connected. So I was very happy.
All I can say, Kavya, is thank you for being here, a part of India Day Fair. And on the last part that you just say, all I can say is welcome to Australia. Yay! Okay, I'll teach you something. So here, when we have our sports matches and everything, when we cheer for Australia, of course, when India and Australia play, it's always a tough one. But when we cheer for Australia, we go like Aussie, 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 oi, 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 like just how we have Jai Hind. All right, so I think this one will make our Australian viewers really happy. So I'll say Aussie, 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 and you got to say oi, oi, oi. Okay? Are we ready to go? Yes, yeah. And then we'll end with a Jai Hind. Okay, so on the count of 3, Aussie, Aussie, Aussie.
Oi, 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 mate.
Love it. But because this is India Day Fair and it is Independence Day, on the count of 3, let's do a Jai Hind together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Jai Hind. And just like that, another grand day celebrating the iconic India Day Fair 2026 has come to an end. It's been a fantastic performance. Our showstopper was really the highlight of today's event. She had an afternoon segment followed by an evening finale segment, and that had the entire crowd on their feet. It's been a fantastic night. My co-host Ari has done a fantastic job talking to people around, taking in the festivities of the day. I chimed in just towards the end, but here we are. The team of Indoors TV is always happy to cover and promote your events. Get in touch with our team. And to end on the note for today, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. See you next year at the iconic India Day Fair.